Automatics are the order of the day, more so for the urban user as they provide much needed convenience, and now even the fuel efficiency is at par with the manual in many cars, and the tribe is increasing in almost all car segments.
DCT, CVT, torque converter, AMT. The subcompact SUV segment in our country has all the possible gearbox options you can think of. And up till now, the Mahindra XUV 300 was the only car in the segment, at least when it comes to petrol engines, that did not have an automatic option. Yes, a diesel is there, but now Mahindra has gone ahead and checked that box.
Yes, Mahindra has now launched the XUV 300 petrol with an automated manual transmission or AMT. We've seen this Magneti Marelli gearbox in many cars from Mahindra and has been one of the better performing units as a whole despite the AMT tag. So let's get straight to sampling this latest offering from Mahindra.
So here we go. This one comes with something that's called a tap to switch gear levers. What that means is that just one push and you can do whatever you want. You want to go into manual, automatic, neutral, reverse. It's on all four sides of the lever. So one push and your job is done. So yes, this is a convenient car to drive, and even the gear lever is very convenient to use. Now this is a tap to switch gear lever. If I accidentally put it into reverse from forward, it will not go into reverse unless the speed is lesser than 5 km per hour. Another good handy safety feature on the car.
The 1.2-litre turbo petrol engine churns out a healthy 109 brake horsepower along with 200 Newton meters that is available from 2000 to 3500 RPM. Now we've been a bit spoiled by driving some powerful DCTs in the segment like the Kia Sonet and Hyundai Venue, but think practically and this AMT gearbox makes a lot more sense. A kick downshift feature also helps with a punchy pickup during overtaking or for quick acceleration, and different steering modes also add their bit to the drive experience. There are 3 modes in all: normal, comfort and sport for the steering feel, and that has no weightage to how the engine performs in these modes.
Officially, Mahindra is calling this AMT Auto Shift. It's a 6-speed transmission, and this combination of this gearbox and the 1.2-litre rather powerful turbo petrol engine works well for this car. It's silent as well, much more silent than the diesel of course, and overall it gives you a nice pleasant experience and doesn't disappoint you too much with the performance despite being an AMT.
Mahindra says an adaptive pedal response system chooses the most appropriate shift map from the unique 600 calibration points which are mapped for Indian driving conditions. This is based on accelerator inputs and driving requirements. The AMT also guarantees a much better fuel efficiency when compared to all other types of auto gearboxes. Yes, it's not a driver's delight, but that is not what it intends to do. This one is all about convenience, and the creep function comes in quite handy in stop and go traffic. As a safety measure, it gets disabled if any of the doors remain open. The top variant W8 optional also gets 2 new dual tone colors in red and aquamarine. But the introduction of the petrol AMT and the new colors isn't the only highlight of this car. In fact, the XUV 300 becomes the first car from the brand to get something really important.
What's also new on this XUV 300 is the Mahindra BlueSense Plus app. Now this is a more advanced version of the Mahindra BlueSense app we've seen earlier, and there's a big difference here. This one has actually made this a truly connected car. So earlier you had to be in close proximity to the car and you would connect through Bluetooth and control some basic functions. Now there's an embedded SIM inside the car, so you can actually be anywhere in the country and track your car. So it gives you alerts, you can do geofencing, you know exactly the location of the car, and you can control the car in lot more ways than you could earlier.
In all, the BlueSense Plus offers more than 40 connected features that include remote vehicle control, location-based features, in-car controls, and safety and security alerts. The interface is quite likable and the app is easy to use. It is available with both Android and iOS.
Now the only visible difference you see inside the cabin of the car is of course the gear lever of the AMT gearbox. Nothing else changes. This car has been around for 2 years now and is one of the more feature-rich cars in the segment. So this is a good opportunity for me to remind you of some of the unique features the XUV300 comes with. And first of that is the direction of your tires. So every time you switch on the ignition, this car tells you which direction your tires are facing, and that's a very handy feature in the tight urban spaces we live in and we park in. The second feature that I like is the seat belt alerts for all the 5 passengers. So even if you're sitting on the second row, for all the 3 passengers, this car will indicate if they're not wearing a seat belt. And finally, you also get dual zone climate control. So yes, this is a feature-rich cabin and some of them are very unique and novel.
The sunroof is now available in all but the base variant of the car for both manual and automatic. And how can we ignore the fact that this is the only car in the segment that comes with a 5-star safety rating and gets 7 airbags in the top variant. The XUV300 is now one of the few vehicles in the subcompact SUV segment apart from the Tata Nexon and Kia Sonet that comes with both automatic and manual transmission options with both petrol and diesel engines. The AutoShift is being offered in W6 and W8 optional variants of the car, which are priced at 9,95,000 and 11,77,000 rupees ex-showroom Mumbai. The Nexon, the only other AMT in the segment though, starts at a much lower 8,59,000 rupees ex-showroom. That makes the XUV a premium offering, no doubt, but one that now takes care of your driving hassles in a satisfactory way.